checkpoint 12.11.3, rewrite the code using try with resources syntax. That's kind of more advanced. You can manage the resource by yourself using try catch finally, or you can let the Java virtual machine manage the resource. For example, previously we used try. That's what we tried to do, and then catch exception. Normally IO exception, let me just say EX for support class of IO exception. Then we usually print to string to print a message, and then here normally we use finally, okay, to close. Okay, for here, let me make it here so it will be visible. Null, then output. So that's it. That's what we usually do, and glitch out end of a file using a. So this case, hang on. Okay, I think I'm missing something here. Okay, this match. I think I'm missing one of these. Okay, so let me indent. Okay, okay, now it match. This one. Okay. So let's use a try with resources. Okay, it's quite straightforward. Okay, so instead of doing this is not necessary. So let's make a comments. Okay, let's make a comments. Here we can say try. Okay, what we are trying to do is we are trying to do this part. Okay, so we can say try, open and close. Then we can surround this all the way to here. Okay, of course there will be minor problems here saying that cannot. Okay, try with losses must either use variable declare or expression declare. So basically saying we have to use this one inside. Okay, so let's make a comments. Here we have to declare inside. Okay, okay, that's it. So if you look at the syntax, it's a lot more simpler. Okay, we are trying to do exception handling, managing file input and output. Of course, this case we are talking about output for print writer class. But what we like to do is this is what we like to do. Of course, often we use catch. Still, we use a catch. Okay, but normally we don't really use the finally because this can be managed by try with the resource management. Okay, so this is not necessary. Okay, managed by automatically, so that we can remove. Okay, hang on, there are two of them. Okay, so it is not necessary because that's how we can manage with a try. Okay, so let me clear out, remove that, and that is no longer necessary. So let me format. Okay, try with the resources. Again, this is optional. Okay, you don't have to have one. Okay, still it works. Hang on, and let me say this way. So that is the original idea of try with resources. Okay, that's all. Thank you.